Hello folks. Thank you for choosing EmpMonitor. EmpMonitor helps to manage all the employee workplace activities under a single roof. In this video, we will run through how to manage employees' workplace behavior analytics. Log in to the EmpMonitor account using the basic information. Here's the main dashboard. Click on the Behavior tab, available in the left sidebar menu. Here you will find all the new EmpMonitor feature alerts. This is the Rule and Alerts tab. Enter the rule name. Applies to, by default, this rule is applicable to all. To customize, you can add the location, uncheck the boxes depending upon your requirement, department, select the department, and employee. Select the trigger rule and create the conditions. Condition, add condition. Add any node depending upon your requirements. Manage the risk level, select the risk level, by default the risk level is minimum. Enable it, if you wish to send multiple alerts in a day. Enable or disable the notify option available to manage the rules. Enter the details on whom it to be notified. Click on Save and Launch to make these changes effective. Alert rule is successfully applied. Moving back to alert list. It leads us to alert policies. Here you can check out the alert policies that we have just created. The conditions we have added, whom all it applies to. You can edit the action from here, change the settings. Alert notifications, you can view all the alert notifications which have been triggered for each employee. You can also view notifications from the notification bell available in the top right corner. So, this was a quick overview of how to manage employee behavior analytics. If you need any other help or face issues while changing the shift timings, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.